This is Russ with TradeServe. I have something really exciting for you. If you sell HVAC equipment or water heaters or anything that needs financing, watch this example. See how easy it is to make this presentation. You pick 3 ton. In this example, it's HVAC. We push the next button. You pick the type of equipment that you want to show. In this case, it's I want to show the greenest package. I want to show the best value package. I want to show great value. I want to show an economic package. Then you push next. It allows you to edit these, or you could just put them right on the options page. Push the compare button, push the show financing button, and wow, look at this. I've got the greenest choice. It shows the limited warranty. It shows the next the scheduled maintenance that comes with this equipment. Here's the best value. It shows the warranty. It shows all the equipment. So these are replacing complete systems. $243 a month for the greenest choice, $194 a month for the most value. You run all this through Wells Fargo. I could repair the system, and it's $777 bucks. Here's the plans. If you'd like to know more about how to make presentations quickly, easily, be able to show financing or show the purchase price, $10,000 if you want to pay cash, $8,000, $6,000, or I could show the financing. If you'd like to know how to do that, I would love the opportunity to show you. Call us at 636-222-2222.